Hi, my name is Hrishikesh Bari and I completed my bachelor's in computer science from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Engineering College, Pune. I started my coding journey from the second day itself. When I started, I didn't had the right guidance on which path to choose so that I can build my career on it. So to start with, I tried multiple programming languages, Java, C++, Python, but I was not able to decide like which one to choose and go with. That's where Ethan's came. So the counselors suggested me and advised me and gave me proper guidance on like what current trends are in the industry. So they suggested me to go with the programming language Python because Python in today's world is used in making AI applications and doing data science. Also, the trainer which taught us Python were very well educated and at a greater and higher position in the industry. So they didn't just mock upon topics and explained us the syntax and tried to mug up it. They actually told us how these concepts are applied in projects and used in the industry. That's what I loved about the Ethans, that the trainers who teach us the courses are well educated and experienced professional in the industry. So after I completed Python, I was very confident in my programming ability. I created many projects based on pure Python and its frameworks. But after that, I thought there's something more that I should do. Not just learn the programming language and stick to it. I wanted to upskill. So again, I came to Ethan's for taking some guidance, and the counselors told me that in today's world, data and AI are booming, and this field is going to have a scope in the coming years as well. So I followed their advice and took the data science and AI course. So in the data science and AI course, we were taught from the very basic, like even from the basic mathematics and statistics that we make use in data science and AI applications. Syllabus that we were given was very structured. Like even if you don't know anything about the tech field, by this course, the structured approach that Ethan's follow, you can easily understand and get all the concepts. We also created many hands-on projects as well, not only just mugging up theory and learning the concepts, but what we do after learning the concept, we applied to create some projects that create an impact in the real world. So once the course completed, I was well equipped with the knowledge of Python as well as data science and AI concepts. And now that I have all this knowledge and hands-on experience in creating projects, I wanted to work at an organization and apply the skills I have learned in driving and helping businesses. So that's where Ethan's placement team came into the role. I would like to specifically mention Bhavik sir and Khushi ma'am for their continuous support in my placement journey. They prepared me for interviews, gave me a lot of opportunities, and due to which today I am successfully able to land a job in a renowned company. I thank Ethan's a lot in supporting me in my upskilling journey and also providing me assistance in getting a job. I recommend Ethan's to anyone looking for upskilling themselves and also looking for opportunities and even looking for any career transition.